Welcome to Bigron's Hobbies. Today we're going to unbox and test run the 12-volt, 12-inch DeWalt electric chainsaw. Let's get out of the box and see what's in there.
It's a itty bitty one.
It's a big. There you go, that's pretty small, ain't it? But I think that's perfect for what we need to use it for. And I didn't want to buy a 2-cycle gas job because I don't run one very often, and I don't want to be cleaning carburetors all the time. I just want to slap a battery in, do some yard cutting, and put it back. I think it's going to work just fine for what we need it for. Just simple yard waste, limb falling, stuff like that. So I think it's going to be perfect for what we need. We're going to test it down on the bush over here in a second and just see how good it does. Got to put some bar oil in it, and then we're ready to slap a battery in it, test it out. Stick her in.
Oh!
I need paper towels.
Oopsie.
It's full too.
Okay, what we decided on these bushes? Mr. Boss man, talk to the camera, buddy. Are they gone?
Good question.
Do we want to get rid of them or not?
Why don't we take these two little ones out first?
Yeah, and then we see.
And then we step back and we see
Okay.
if they're, because this might have a big ass hole in it now.
Right, it probably did. It probably does.
It's probably
Yeah, and then it's going to look real stupid. Yeah, we can start with
that's
those.
what we were going for, real stupid.
Is that where we're going? Okay, well that sounds good. We'll start with those.
So what are we doing?
So we're starting with those. This one and this one right here.
What do you mean? I thought we were taking the...
Yeah, but we're going to start with these little ones, and then we're going to cut the big ones.
I'm going to have to read the instructions on this.
Well, yeah, because you're supposed to do that. And the battery is charged, huh? You got a charger with you?
Oh no, man, yeah. Let me read the instructions of it. That'd be a safety on there, so. Alright, let's read the instructions. Okay, so you gotta pull your kickback brace back, and then you can push your unlock for the push button, and your saw will run. Alright, here we go.
Woohoo! Freaking awesome.
No more bush.
You got shit in the on the blade already. stuck in there.
I know. Hold on.
So that could be a little problem there. Oh, that's how you got it open? Jeez, fucking flies everywhere.
Yeah, try to be underneath this. Yeah, try to be underneath this. You're worried about a fly flying around.
Yeah. Look at that.
If you're going to do it for a video, you get notch it this way.
Yeah, you notch it for the video, baby.
Come in high on the back side.
Yeah.
Well, if I want it to fall that way, I'm going to have chunks in the front, right?
If you want it to fall toward her,
Yeah.
notch it in the front, and then cut it. Which way you going, towards her or towards her?
Well,
Just
you know,
this way.
yeah,
As you know,
we got
excitement
technical.
when it's falling towards her.
Yeah, we got technical person on board.
Oh, right, okay.
Come down at an angle. That's gonna fall this way. They're gonna fall towards you, right?
Yeah.
And I gotta come back here and catch.
So you do that one straight,
Do this one
Flat.
first, straight.
and then come in at an angle there.
Yeah, straight first and then angle.
To make
So
you a
cut
little cutout, like
Cut it through here,
like a pie shape. Yeah,
and
cut it about half.
then come back this way.
Yeah.
And then when that piece falls out, cut a little high over here. Okay. Above your nose.
Here.
Smells so good. You can probably just push it down now.
Nope, okay. I thought he was gonna stand in front of me. Oh, hit you.
Yeah, good. Are you gonna cut it shorter?
Yeah. Hey, so there you go. That was 2 bushes and a small tree done on the same battery. It's not an over powerful saw, but it works fine for what we need it for, and I think it's gonna make a good saw for just every homebody that just needs some yard cleanup. So there you go. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Ed Grond's Hobbies. We'll see you on the next one.